welcome back to my channel. I am doing my January fave. This is the one type of video that I want to be consistent with this year. So at least 12 videos this year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it since I'm a little late. We're almost halfway through the month, but we're good. So the first thing is this Polaroid camera that my boyfriend got me, and basically all I do is just take pictures of my son with it. So we have like a whole wall in our bedroom of just Polaroids of him, like first Christmas in the bathtub, just doing dummy time, whatever. I love this. It's the cutest thing. I love the nostalgic feel of it. It definitely reminds me of my childhood when we had like the skinny strip ones and it like all, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Yes, I love it. This is the Instax Y300. So the next one is yoga. I kind of looked into yoga, but I was like, I don't think that's for me. It's kind of boring. I'm not flexible. But since it's winter and it's been cold outside, I have been taking Zari to Bring Your Own Baby, BYOB yoga. I love connecting with him. I love stretching. I love the way my body feels afterwards. I love how relaxing it is and soothing, and I just love it, especially since it's obviously for mothers with infants. So there's other moms in there that I can connect with and talk to, and it's just something to get out the house, and I have just fallen in love with yoga, and now I see why it's this yogi craze going on. So the first thing are these earrings, and I got them from an artist on Instagram. I have been following her for years, and I absolutely love her. First, she was an art teacher. I just love the way she taught her students art, especially like urban art, and it just deviated from like typical art curriculum that you usually see and hear about in schools. So I love that about her. And then she just recently moved to California, and she has been making earrings, and needless to say, I had to get a pair of them. I chose these. I love how they're flower, botanical, succulent, desert themed earrings, and you know that's right up my alley. So I grabbed these right here, and they're by Cataphant, like elephant, cataphant. I believe that's how it's said. I will leave all of her information right here and down below so you can go check them out and support her. She is a woman of color. She is an artist. She is a young entrepreneur. She is a believer. I love her, and I had to support her with these, and they're absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous. The next thing are these foundations from Gabriel Cosmetics. I have them in two colors here. This is tawny and true beige. And the reason why I got two different colors because one, obviously I didn't know which one would be best for me, and two, they have different undertones, and I just figure if I mix them both together, I'll have the perfect, you know, foundation, which I do. I'm wearing it right now. It is light to medium coverage, so you definitely have to build with it, and definitely use a concealer if you have like hyperpigmentation, dark circles, scars, things like that. But for me, I don't want like this super duper flawless face. I just want enough to, you know, just give me a little like, you know, barely there makeup, which I love, and this gives me that. It has a matte finish, and the best part about it is it's non-toxic. I'm definitely transitioning all of my beauty products to green products, to non-toxic products, to natural products. So I want to start with foundation since that is the base of the face. So yeah, this is definitely my only foundation. I was gonna say go-to foundation, but it's like my only foundation right now, and I believe it's going to last me a very long time, so I'm very pleased with that. And the last thing in this category, I mean, what do you want me to say? They're perfect. They're perfect, okay? These are the Pharell HU, I don't know how I'm supposed to pronounce it, but they're Pharell and Adidas collab, and I'm obsessed. They also come in red and blue. I consider these yellow. My mom and my sister think they're orange. Let me know down below if you think these are orange or yellow. I just don't think they'll be orange if he has the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, right? I don't think, anyways. Everywhere I go, people compliment me on the shoes. Like, they are a statement piece. They are a showstopper. They are my favorite color. I love these shoes. Speaking of Pharrell, I am currently obsessed with Pharrell. Well, I'm currently obsessed with N.E.R.D and Rihanna's Lemons. It reminds me of like Beyonce's 7-Eleven, like how when it came out, people were like, it's not making any sense, but it's fun. Like that is the feel that Lemons is giving me. It's giving me spring, summer, it's giving me fun parties, and I'm obsessed with the video. I am obsessed with the dancer in the video. Like, one, she's gorgeous, she has an amazing body, and I just love her dancing. Like this, I don't even know what to say besides I just love her. I love her so much. I looked her up on Instagram. So I'm definitely obsessed with the song and the video and the dancer right now. Love all three of them. Lastly, entertainment is this app that's basically for mommies or caretakers in general. It's called Playfully, and it just gives you, every day it just gives you activities that you can do with your baby for their physical, emotional, and mental development. As a stay-at-home mom, sometimes I just get bored, I don't know what to do. So this app basically just gives me a curriculum every single day. So Zari can reach certain milestones, and it keeps track of his milestones as well. Put in your baby's birthday, what they're doing, what they should be doing, how you can help them achieve those milestones. It was a free trial, and I think it's like $3.99 for 3 months, and then like a whole year for like, I have no idea, but I just did the 3 months just to see how I like it, and then we'll see if I want to continue purchasing it or if I just got a hang of things and I can just come up with my own activities. Yeah, those are my favorites for this month. So let me know down below, what are your January, I was gonna say February, what are your January favorites? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.